Hello, I'm Fhamida Akter, a digital expert excited about making your business shine online. Ever thought about your website not just being seen but standing out? Well, that's where I come in. With 5 years experience, I know the ins and outs of SEO, the magic that will make your business pop on the internet. Whether you're a startup seeking a grand entrance or an established business aiming for sustained growth, my expertise lies in creating customized SEO solutions. I've helped with over 1,000 projects and ads, turning challenges into wins. Imagine your website not just getting visits, but turning those visits into real success. In addition to SEO specialist, my skills extend to search engine optimization, SEO, services, video SEO and promotion services, social media ads marketing services, graphic design content marketing services, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising services, digital analytics and data insight services, Google Ads setup and optimization. Ready to make your brand the next success story? Let's work together to make your ideas stand out online with eye-catching digital strategies. As your go-to digital marketer, I'm excited to use my skills to boost your brand's online presence.